Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Here I'm showing you guys coupons that I got in my inserts. My newspaper's lame. I only got 2 of the 4. So I think one's missing, but let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what we got. So here is the Retail Me Not. Here we got Pure Silk. Sorry, my son just sat right next to me.
Oh no, the bug right there.
That's okay. Here we got Nature's Truth. We got $1 off of the Suave Body Wash, which is a great coupon. Here we got Zyrtec, Benadryl, Visine, which those coupons just showed up. Are you okay?
Yeah,
those coupons just showed up on coupons.com. Eggland's Best. And that is it. That's pretty lame. So here is the Smart Source. Here we got, I don't even know how to pronounce that, but here we got Bayer. One a day. This is a freebie at Walgreens, or at CVS this week, so I'm pretty excited about that. Here we got Miralax, Phillips. Ben, can you get out of my shade, please?
I just want to just stay with you.
I know you do. Aleve.
It's like cough medicine.
It's like cough medicine?
Oh, these are called food.
Yep, that's called food. That's Dole, mandarin oranges, and then you got Tabasco. And then here we got Pledge off of any $2 off any 2 products. We got Fantastic, which is 50 cents off of 1. We have Sally Hansen. I don't know what brand that is. Cooked Perfect. $1 off Mitchum. Farm Rich. Now here's a good coupon. We got Irish Springs, 25 cents off of Ajax. Here we got your $1 off coupons for Colgate. Here we got 50-cent coupons that are for like Scott's, Cottonelle, all that stuff. But if you guys were on coupons.com, there's 75-cent off coupons. So definitely check those out. Here we have Ocuvite or whatever. Tons of Claritin. The whole thing is full of Claritin. Sugar.
You know, look, all that.
Those are checks.
Yeah, these are names.
Oh, okay. And that seems about it. So those are what is in my inserts. Not the greatest. That's why I order my inserts. So just wanted to share with you guys. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.